In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Online, how to customize sales invoices. Edit invoice templates. Customizing your sales invoices helps your brand look professional and makes it easier for customers to understand how to pay you. We'll walk through where to find the template options, how to adjust the look and feel, and how to apply your new design to an actual invoice. Start on the QuickBooks Home dashboard. In the top right, click the gear icon to open Settings. Under the Your Company section, choose Custom Form Styles. This is where all your invoice templates live. Next, select New Style, then choose Invoice. That opens the invoice customization screen. Here, you'll see template options. You may see any custom templates you've created, and you'll also see built-in styles like Airy New, Airy Classic, Modern, Fresh, Bold, and Friendly. Click any template to select it, and use the preview to get a feel for spacing, headings, and how totals are displayed. Pick the one that aligns best with your brand's tone, whether that's clean and minimal or more eye-catching. Now refine the details. Start with your logo. Use the logo edits to add or update it, and aim for a clear, high-resolution file so it prints sharply. If possible, a transparent background helps it blend with the page color. Next, try other colors to match your brand palette. Keep accessibility in mind. Ensure there's enough contrast so text and totals are easy to read, especially for printed copies. Select a different font if you want to change the text style. Choose something professional and legible, and keep sizes consistent so item lines and totals remain clear. If your customers pay by bank transfer, add your EFT details in the payment or footer area. Keep it concise and accurate so there's no confusion, and double-check spacing so the information doesn't wrap awkwardly. Before you finish, edit print settings to adjust headers, footers, or margins. Use this to remove anything you don't need, keep your invoice to a single page when possible, and make sure nothing is cut off at the edges. A quick preview helps you catch alignment issues, especially if you use windowed envelopes or send PDFs. When you're happy with everything, click Done to save your customized template. To use it, open a new invoice and pick your custom template from the drop-down at the top. That applies your design instantly so you can send consistent, on-brand invoices every time. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.